Hello everybody, today we make a chicken saltimbocca. When you eat this with the prosciutto, the sage and the chicken, it's so good taste. It looks so delicious already. Now the ingredients for the recipe, I got the breast chicken over here already pined, and I put salt and black pepper. The breast chicken I clean up so beautiful, I take all the vein out, okay, when you eat it's not tough, it's really tender. And I got my prosciutto already over here. I gotta use sage. I use some garlic, but not chop, only big pieces. I want to give a good taste for the chicken when I do. I got flour, and I got salt, black pepper, white wine, and chicken stock. Okay, now to start the chicken, I want to prepare the flour. And I want to season. I got the black pepper and sea salt. And we put little black pepper, not too much, because already my chicken, it's already salt and black pepper. A little sea salt. And I give a little mix on this. And I put it right over here. And now it's time to put my chicken. And I want to see to prepare this chicken. It's a nice breast, and I pined already, and we put the prosciutto. Okay, now it's the prosciutto. Now we put some leaves, the sage. I put like 3 leaves, sage. I put one over here, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, now you need to pick, I don't want to lose my sage. Okay, and you do like this. In and out. Okay, now let's put on the flour. Make sure the pack good, both sides, like this. Now I put it right over here on this dish. And I gotta do the rest, the same thing what I did the first one. After I finish all thing, we go on the stove and we can start fry the chicken. I was making this chicken saltimbocca. I got so beautiful sage outside, and look at the sage. It was so cold this year, and the sage still it's really good. Okay, now we gotta start the chicken. I want to start with the oil. This is olive oil, olio di oliva. Okay, and the oven I put on 400 degrees. And I got some of the garlic over here, 2 cloves garlic, I split in half. I wanted the chicken to have a good taste. Okay, look at the garlic. Now the garlic, I think you gotta start to jump. Come on. Come on, garlic, jump a little bit, come on. All right, we put the garlic on the side. I want to start now with the chicken. The chicken, I put the prosciutto down first. We move on the side a little bit. We got 2 more pieces. Oh, look at this beautiful parts. It fits everything right. Okay, now we raise the flame a little bit. And I got the butter over here. And I start to pour a couple of pieces of butter. I got two more pieces of butter. And I put right in the back over here. And this I gotta check to make nice gold color for the chicken. It's like 2 to 3 minutes each side. It's it. After that, I gotta use the wine, chicken stock, and after it go right in the oven. The chicken, you gotta be nice and tender. Okay, you see what happened? So it's not tender. I don't got no teeth. I need the teeth. It's not tough. When I make a chicken, it's beautiful. Okay, now it's almost ready. On one side, make sure when you turn, do not burn yourself. Look what I do, and you can do the same thing. Your hands, you gotta help you to keep the cold place over here. This piece is for me, the big one. Look how beautiful. Look how nice it come out. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, now it's the time of the wine. It's a Pinot Grigio. No for me, for the chicken. Shake. Okay, now we leave evaporated the wine. After I got chicken stock. Okay, over here I got 2 cups chicken stock. But I think maybe I use only 1 cup of chicken stock. And we see. A little bit more. It's enough. Now we leave start to boil this. When you start to boil, you gotta go in the oven. I got the oven at 400 degrees, and this you gotta cook in the oven for 8 or 9 minutes. Cause the chicken already, I was cooked pretty good on the top of the stove already. Okay, now it boil, and we gotta put in the oven, like I said before, 8 to 9 minutes. And let's go put it in the oven. Okay. All right. Now we wait. After this is done, and we eat this nice chicken saltimbocca. Chicken saltimbocca go right in my bocca, in my mouth. Okay, let's see now. Oh, look how beautiful look. Yes, I'm done. Move, got this handle, it's really hot stuff. Okay, now it's time of the taste. Hey, not turn too much. Okay, let's put over here. Little juice, little gravy. You know why? I know, okay, the garlic. You see, I left the garlic. I like to eat the garlic. It's so good. Okay, now let me taste my chicken. Oh, look how nice and tender. It's juicy. Look like a butter. It melts really in your mouth. E the garlic I want to miss. I want to say to everybody, salute e chin chin. Really, really good. Thank you very much. Look how beautiful tonight. Nice dinner.
Pasquale, can you just shake it for me, please? No, I missed the pot.
Oh, the pot?
Perfect.
How do you shake it, Pat?
Shake it, baby.
Is that like Elvis or something?